This Vietnamese sandwich is a delicious meal you can make easily at home that tastes like a rich ham sandwich with a hit of Asian freshness. Hello everyone and welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where we show you how to cook the best recipes from all over the world and galaxy and universe. Not exaggerating. Today we're making Banh Mi, a popular Vietnamese sandwich that leaves lengthy queues from early morning in the streets of Vietnam due to its irresistible savory flavors that come together for a sandwich perfection. But before we jump straight to our Vietnamese food culture, be sure to click that subscribe button, add a beautiful thumbs up, and very important, tap the notification bell. Now, let's get cooking! Start by marinating the pork, so in a resealable bag, combine 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 whole lime juiced, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 small minced shallot, 2 minced garlic cloves, 2 stalks of lemongrass that are bruised and chopped, and 1 pound of pork tenderloin. Zip the bag and allow to marinate for 2 to 4 hours in the refrigerator. To prepare the pickled vegetables, add in a bowl 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, half of a whole lime juiced, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 minced garlic clove, 1/4 cup of either chopped mint or cilantro, 1 or 2 minced red chilies, depending on how hot you want your sauce to be, 1/2 cup of thinly sliced carrots, and another 1/2 cup of thinly sliced daikon radish. Mix everything together and chill until ready to serve. Once the marinated time is finished, take the pork out of the fridge and discard the marinade. Then grill the pork for 5 to 7 minutes on both sides. Once it acquires some nice grill marks and starts making your home smell just like a street food in Vietnam, set it aside to rest for 10 minutes. While the pork is resting, slice a baguette in half and slightly toast it. Then spread a thin layer of mayonnaise on both halves and top one half with our pickled vegetables. Let's then grab our meat and slice it into thin slices and fill the baguette with pork. For some extra flavor, drizzle the sandwich with Kecap Manis, then close the sandwich, slice it in half, and enjoy the magnificent flavor of Vietnam. If you enjoyed making this recipe and want to see more Asian cuisine, be sure to check the description box or head to our website at cozymeal.com/recipes to view many more recipes based in Asia and from all over the world. If you have not already, please support the channel by leaving a like and subscribing to Cozymeal Studios. Yes, us! The channel that brings you the best of the best recipes that are not only easy to make, but also taste delicious. So many more Asian recipes are coming to this channel, so you do not want to miss them out once they drop. Thank you all for watching and cooking along with us. We hope to see you again in our next video recipe.